Motley. Well, guys, I'm back. And I checked my mailbox today and I got my January Boxy Charm. What? Yay! So I'm going to be unboxing my Boxy Charm. This month is titled Boxy and Chill. It's actually pretty cute. It's actually cuter in person than I thought it was when I saw the image like on Instagram. And this box, let me just tell you that I was actually super duper excited. Look at the light in my eyes. Kind of creepy. Like a vampire. My alter ego. Anyways, I'm super excited. I actually was really excited to get this box. I'm going to start with the product I didn't know I was going to get. I didn't know that I was going to get this. Let me see what it is. This Briogeo. Comment down below if you know how to say it, but I'm going to call it the Briogeo. Okay, and it's a milk leave-in conditioning spray. It's for your pelo. Pelo is a Spanish word for hair. But anyways, so yeah, I actually like leave-in conditioner, so I'm not sad about it. I'm actually happy about it. All right, and then the next thing I got that I'm pretty actually stoked about, I actually, you know, when filling my brows sometimes don't look too close because they're not that good. But we're getting, what is it, $1 billion brow pencil, and it's in a universal shade. I'm going to go ahead and show you the shade. And it also comes with the spoolie on the end. I actually use on a regular basis the IT Cosmetics Universal shade. So I'm not mad at it. I'm pretty excited that I got this. And it comes with the spoolie. The spoolie feels a little on the softer side. I normally go for a rougher spoolie, but I guess whenever I try it out, I'll let you know how I like it. But positive vibes, I think I'm gonna really like this. The next thing, pretty excited about, is I just said this like the last video. Excuse me, like burping. I said this in the last video that I really like sheet mask over like the actual like squeeze mask and put it all over your face. Why'd I have to do that? Put it all over your face. But we got two, not one, but two. They're the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Sheet Mask. And I've actually been wanting to try this brand for a while. I think I saw Jeffrey or somebody else post a video like this summer or maybe even earlier than that about, I think it was either a moisturizer or a face primer. Anyways, I'm really excited to try this out because this brand I think is also expensive, so probably never gonna get the face primer or the moisturizer, whatever it was. And so these, the 2-pack is $24. So yeah, just imagine how much the other stuff costs. The next thing, I actually got what I wanted, was the Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipstick. There was like 3 different options that you could have gotten as far as like the lipsticks this month. The Ofra was one of them, and I got it in the shade Miami Fever, and it's kind of like a burnt orange color. I already have a little bit of lip gloss on, so I'm not going to be trying this for you, but I do plan on making a video I do plan on making another video where I try out the stuff that was in my box because someone asked me to do that. Okay, and the very last thing, I know last week or so, whenever I made the December unboxing, I said, I like other eyeshadow palettes, and I can probably even put a little clip right there. And I said, whoop-de-doo, or something along those lines. Okay, really what I was trying to say, I'm tired of getting like bogus eyeshadow palettes from like brands that are trying to make it in the industry and that Boxy Charm has like a sweet deal with, and they put it in all our boxes, and we're supposed to give them a chance and maybe buy something from them in the future. However, I'm super excited that we got this Rainforest of the Sea Tarte palette. I got the volume 3. I don't have any of the Rainforest of the Sea palettes, so I'm not mad at it. I think I joined Boxy Charm literally the month after they put one in the August 2017 box, and I literally signed up for it the following month. So this is what the volume 3 looks like. I low-key wish I could have got the limited edition with the glitter, but I'm not mad at it because these are pretty expensive and I got it in my box. So this is what it looks like. Comes with a nice big mirror. Let me see if I can get these shades in focus. And I'm going to be swatching just a few of them. I was going to say none of them have a name, but they do. So, my bad. This goes for $36. And they're all shimmery. I don't think there's any mattes at all. Yeah, but I'm okay. I can do with some shimmer. So I'm just gonna swatch a few of them, not all of them. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Escape. There's Escape. You guys see it? Maybe not. My bracelet's in the way. And I have nails on, so I can't take it off. The next color I'm going to go with is Treasure. I'm going to just pop it on right there. There's Treasure. And I think I only have one Tarte eyeshadow palette. It's like a mini one. Everybody said they're pretty good, but they can become muddy. This is Jules. Come on, girl. Jewel. I'm gonna pop it on right there. So there's Escape, Treasure, and Jewel. Next, I'm gonna go in with Compass. Let's see my sleeve. Here's Compass. Next, I have Rays. They feel very soft, guys. They almost have like a wet feel to them. There's Compass. I'm sorry, that was Rays. So I swatched about 4 of them. There's 4 that I didn't swatch. I just don't have enough arm space right now. And to be honest, if you guys take a look at this palette, most of them have similar shades. They're all very light. All right, so that completes my Boxy Charm unboxing for the month of January, the year 2019. That being said, today when I was at the store, I saw these really cute little Real Techniques mini brushes, I guess. They're pretty small. I mean, they're pretty small. Let me see if I can see the size on it. It just says mini, medium blush brush and a mini buffing brush. And it's Real Techniques. Those of you who know, been around for a while, Real Techniques, I mean, their brand, you know, is always going to do their job. Anyways, I saw them at the store and I thought, they're on sale and I want them. Then I thought to myself, Girl, you just started a YouTube channel. Give them away. So, that being said, I am going to be giving both of these away. They're just mini brushes. Don't come at me because they're not full size. I'm a broke bee, and I'm just trying to give away some things for free to people who watch my videos because I'm trying to make it out on these YouTube streets. Low-key, I got that from somebody. Somebody else said that, but aside from that, I want to give these away. So in order to win, like this video, comment down below, and by next week, I'll announce the winner. If you haven't liked this video yet, like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel because I need more followers. Hey, should I make that one of the rows? Yeah, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below for a chance to win 2 mini Real Techniques brushes. Did that come across right? I'm trying to come across like animated, but I just don't know, you know. Why do I feel like I have to be like that close? Like this is a perfectly good angle. Like you can only see 3 of the 6 chins. I mean, it's good. It's a good angle.